Hey, it's Noe with WTI. If you've been looking for a universal bag that can function as a carry-on or a backpack or for your laptop, then check out this bag from HP Hope. This is the first bag I've had that has a charging station or a charging port, which is one of my favorite features. We were able to use it while traveling in an airport. By connecting our power bank to it, we were able to have easy access to charge our cell phones when needed. A neat feature is that inside this has a leak-proof pouch, so you can put anything you're worried about in this pouch and not have to worry about a mess happening in your bag. The straps on this bag are so comfortable. They're a little plush or have a little cushion on it so that the bag is not uncomfortable if carrying a significant amount of weight. The bag itself is lightweight and can hold a ton. I especially love that this has a luggage strap, which allows you to have a break from carrying your backpack or just to keep all your things together. So if you're getting ready to travel or need something to take on a hike or as a carry-on or even take it to class or need this as a way to carry your laptop, then I would highly recommend this bag from HP Hope. And that's our point of view.